What's going on, Will?
I sure hope you like fireworks because you came to the right place, brother.
I sure did.
You hold on.
Okay.
They told you the fireworks show was going to be
the best in Middle Georgia.
I think you're in line for the best in Middle Georgia. I sure hope it is. I sure don't want to disappoint a single person tonight.
Me neither.
I sure hope they're all here. They're going to have fun tonight.
Yes.
Stay tuned, Chris. It's a serious fireworks show when it takes a 5-pound box, 3.5-inch screws to bolt your stuff down. He's doing a full video every channel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm on YouTube.
You're on YouTube. Are you?
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Do 11 and 12, the 6 can go off.
All right.
I'm out of here. That's us, Chris. 2, 11. Two is done. 3. There's 3.